Hey guys, an update on IonQ. So last video was around here or here. I said technically we have 5 waves to the upside, which could mean that we are done. My perspective is still the same, unless this was just another 1-2, or like we're working now on the wave 2 and we will go in a wave 3, 4, 5. It's possible. We have for now the wave 3 in this last leg as the longest wave. Usually your wave 3s are the longest and the most extended ones, but sometimes you can have an extended fifth wave. That would be the case if this is just a wave 1 and now we are working on a wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. It would be longer in time and price probably than this third wave. I'll put this 1-1 here. And this is just if price wants to be as long as this third wave, this would be the point. But yeah, I can't tell if it's gonna do that or not. It's just, it could go for an extended wave 5, but I have no crystal ball. Hard to say. What we can do is, I'll remove this because it looks complete. You have 5 waves and price is coming down. So where's my mouse? This. I'm gonna delete these fib targets as well. What was this line here? Another fib. Just to have a little bit more clarity on the chart. Because if we're gonna do the extended fifth, then we will go way past those targets anyway. So this could be then a 1 with 5 waves inside the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the only scenario I can come up with. Critically, we're now at the 618 and it's showing some response, but yeah, we don't have any 886 hit here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you could count. You could say this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In a wave 3, we're gonna do a wave 4 and a wave 5. If we get those 5 waves in, then yeah, some more alarm bells will sound. Then if the pullback or the move up is in 3 waves and we hold support, the fibs in reverse then, and we're falling again, then yeah, it might be a first step, first serious indication that we are going lower. Already the risk is really high. I stopped with IonQ when price was here. I have still got a little bit of QBT because yeah, that chart is a little bit different. If you zoom out, we don't have the all-time high yet there, etc. But okay. What more can I do? So we have reached also minimum targets for a wave 3. So I'm gonna put it in red. So red in bearish, it will go down if we follow this path, and then this I will put in green. This is your bullish scenario. That this is a 1, 2. But again, extension in the fifth, I don't know. Look, Rajadi is also down a lot. QBT is holding on better. Yeah. But again, here this chart is, I made a video a while back. This chart is a little bit different than IonQ and Rigetti. These two are, for example, more the similar chart. If I zoom out quickly. So look, you have 5 waves. Within the fifth we have 5 waves now. Within this fifth we have 5 waves now. And yeah, it's a wedge to the upside, in my opinion, a diagonal. If I go to Rigetti, it's the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're at the top. Yeah, it might go. Yeah, then I'm wrong. But if you're not positioned from here or here, if you just buy here now, it's just not worth the risk. Even if you go, yeah, then you miss the push, but not worth it. Really not worth it. And then if I take QBT, for example, look, this chart is completely different compared to the other quantum stocks. So this one, in my opinion, has less risk, but yeah. Still also, I'm not very confident with QBT anymore because it's not doing the push to the upside, but I'll do a video on that later. So yeah, what can we do here now? For this wave 2, if we hit this 886, then yeah, probably this scenario is for the trash bin and we go down. So now if we get a 4 and a 5, this might be a wave A or a wave 1, then we get a B or a 2, and then we get a C or a 3. If it's an ABC, this could be a larger A, we get a B, and then we go down even more, because this has to be a big correction if we do it, if we are starting it. If it's a 1, 2, then we need a 3, 4, 5, and that's your A wave, then a B wave. So yeah, can't say it right now, we need to follow it. An A wave in an ABC should have 5 waves, so probably we're gonna get it. This other scenario is for me less likely, in my opinion. I'm leaning more towards the bearish scenario. Last thing I can do is add this here. So yeah, your wave 4 here in this scenario shouldn't go above the 75.95 level. So levels to watch: 64, 71, and yeah, okay, 62, 53 for this wave 2. If we lose that, yeah, for me it's bye-bye this scenario. For this bearish scenario, your wave 4, yeah, we can watch this trend line, might give resistance together with these fips, and then your wave 4 shouldn't go to the 618. But yeah, look here inside you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within this wave 1. Wave 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perfectly in wave 3. So it looks like it's serious. If we get this as well, then okay, we have a 5 wave move to the downside, clear. You can't then count this really as a corrective structure, in my opinion. Then we will get a B or a wave 2, and then we will do one more leg to the downside, in my opinion, if we get this completed. So again, be careful. It was a nice run. We started covering it here somewhere. Already too late actually, if we were earlier. Earnings November the 5th. Compared to last year, they will do they will grow their earnings a lot. So but it's still a month. Maybe it can, I'm just thinking, it can go down till then that earnings could boost the B wave, and then we get the C wave. So one last thing, because the video is already long. I'm not saying this stock will never go up, but just now, if you're just buying in now, it's risky. If you are positioned already, it's different, and if you have good profits, it's different. I can't see where the exact top is because of the... I'll look at it another day, but the idea is this was then all a wave 1, and now we want to do this in wave 2. I'm not saying it has to come down to these levels, but your wave 2 is allowed to come to these levels. But yeah, if we do this and we start seeing reaction here, because here we have a lot of trading, we have this high here, this range might offer support, and then this would be a nice entry again, you know. If also this RSI resets, we have again, yeah, on monthly, I guess, bearish ones here, bearish signals. But yeah, long video, sorry, but I think it's important to share awareness that it looks really like like it's gonna be a 5-wave move down, and yeah, then you need to be cautious. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.